hungry for dinner at 8. She loves the theater and never comes late. She'd never bother with people she'd hate. That's why the lady is a trump. Doesn't like a crap games with barons and earls. Won't go to Harlem in ermine and pearls. She won't dish the dirt with the rest of the girls. That's why the lady is a trump. She loves the free, fresh wind in her hair. Life without care. She's broken and it's oak. Hates California. It's cold and it's dumb. That's why the lady is a trump. She gets far too hungry to wait for dinner at 8. She adores the theater, however doesn't get her laid. She never bother with any she'd hate. That is why the lady is a trump. She'll have no dice games with sharpness and pearls. Won't go to Harlem, drive a Lincoln or Ford. She won't fish the dirt with the rest of the bros. That is why the lady is a trump. She loves the free, fresh wind in her hair. Life without care. She's broke and it's oak. Hates California. It's so cold and so dumb. That's why the lady. That's why the lady. That's why the lady is a trump. Thank you.
Ayun, wala akong mic. Ayun. Yung song choice, I like the song choice. I am lacking of energy. Yun lang. But the way you dress up with the song, with the gloves, nag-i-improve. Yun na lang buhok mo. Buhok. So, pag medyo jazzy ang ating when we're doing a jazz song, it's good to have, ano yung tawag doon, nakapusod? Basta yung nakaganon, nakataas. Ganon. The way you dress, I like the way you dress. The way you put